Hey guys, Michael here. Today I had to share with you the riser base for the xTool P2. I'm going to show you how to put it together and just what all is involved. And I also have an accessory to share with you at the end of this video. Stick around. Let's get to it. Today I'm going to share with you the unboxing and putting together of the P2 riser base. Also, I have a new table. So I found a table on Marketplace that I think is going to work great with the P2. So this is what the table looks like. As you can see, it's like a little kitchen island table. It is on casters, but makes it nice that two of the casters are lockable. It comes with drawers in the front and some shelving. So yeah, I think this is a great find. However, it doesn't quite fit the P2. So what I did was I went out to Home Depot and bought a 2 foot by 4 foot piece of 3/4 inch plywood. And then I added these little angles on here. So you can see I have it in 4 corners. And I can just slide it on here, line it up just right, and lock it in place, and it doesn't go anywhere, and it's solid on the table. Now I can pick it up, but that's okay. I want it to be sort of a temporary tabletop until I come up with a way to permanently attach it and work with conveyor arms on here so that I can actually have the conveyor feeder on the P2. So let's take a look at this riser base and start putting it together. So I'm literally going to put this together in front of you all and share with you any issues I have. This may be a boring video for some, although if you're considering getting the riser base, maybe you'll find this video helpful. So we get a construction manual. Okay, this is the way it's packaged. As always, xTool packages their stuff amazingly well. Nothing's touching each other. Nice thick foam everywhere. You also get a bag of accessories. Besides everything you get here, you get a bag of accessories. You get the same double-headed screwdriver that you got with the P2. You get a tape measure and some screws. So let's just start with page 1 and start putting this together. Let's see. Other side now. Let's try it this way. Okay, that's the left-hand side. Okay, that's the left-hand side. Now let's move on to the right-hand side. You need this piece with the dowel holes, and they are going to go inside that right there. So this is going to be a part of the door. Okay, like that. Okay, so that's going to go inside there. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and put this on one end. Okay, with that inserted, put this in this end. Slide slide this end right here, and I'm going to go ahead and put those other 2 screws on the other side. Okay, back doors in. Okay. All right, so we're gonna put these guys on, and they go. I can't really show you this, but they go at the bottom, on the front and back. To kind of hold it all together. Okay, this is the last piece as far as putting the base together goes, and then you have to assemble the P2 on the base. There's a rubber strip. The rubber strip goes towards the middle of it. So what we're going to do is have to pick up this laser engraver and grab it from the middle on the side, not on the corners. Grab it from the middle. You can pick it up, pick up higher than what it is now, and put it down in here. Ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, pick it up and go back towards your side a little bit. Just a little bit. Right there. That's it. Thank you. Okay. Get my old top out of the way. Well, she's all put together. Overall, it took 30 minutes to put it together with filming and just laying it all out. The instructions are pretty clear. You just follow the pictures. And I didn't have any trouble at all, except for 4 little screws where the screwdriver was just not quite long enough. No big deal. I just used my fingertips to turn the screwdriver. Overall, it came out okay. There is a gap all the way around the P2. It doesn't look like it fits down in there, but it does. I have seen comments about that on the Facebook group, and they're right. There is a gap all around this thing. However, I don't think it's going to mess this up any or be a concern, because I don't see anybody really complaining too much about smoke, exhaust, or whatever not getting out of here, because the fan pulls quite a bit of air. It's going to be able to pull all that air in and out the exhaust instead of leaking out the sides. It does not have a door on this side. It has a door on the right-hand side. You can open up just like this. It has the pass-through doors on the front and the back. This front has slots in the middle. You can pull your removable tray out, flip it over, and you can put it in different elevations or different heights of this base to match the tumbler that you're going to be engraving. And this also doubles as protection to protect your tabletop from being accidentally engraved itself. There's a magnetic catch to hold this closed. So speaking of the accessory that I found on this, it is a barbecue grill cover. This is similar to the cover that I shared with you all on the M1. If you haven't seen that and you need a dust cover for your M1, go check out my M1 videos. It'll show you where to get that from. No link. So in this one, it is a barbecue grill dust cover. Let's see if I can show it to you. And this is just keep your P2 clean, dust free. If you're in a workshop or whatever and you just want to keep the dust off, works just like that. It comes with a little cover that you can store it in if you're not using it. And this does work best with the riser base installed. As you can see, it does hang down pretty low. If you didn't have the riser base, it will kind of bunch up on the table. But this is a pretty cool accessory. I'll put a link to this in the description down below. Also, if you didn't notice, I got me an xTool hat. My buddy Paul over at the Facebook group was able to snag me a hat and a shirt. I'm not wearing the shirt today, but I am so excited to be able to have an xTool hat. So that's all I want to share with you guys. If you don't mind, give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel where I will be releasing more videos. The next video will be P2 related. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.